It's a great day at Equity. Today we're going to talk about 3D printed homes entering the market. Fannie Mae has announced that 3D printed homes with traditional designs that have been constructed with conventional building materials are not considered a unique type of housing compared to other site-built housing. Fannie Mae's selling guide instructs lenders to follow standard eligibility and appraisal requirements on these homes as they would on any other. Here at Equity Resources, our underwriters work within these base guidelines on all our conventional files. This helps mortgage specialists and buyers have smooth transactions even on unique files. Now let's look at what goes into building a 3D printed home. The blueprint for the home is digitized and loaded into the printer's computer. Following the blueprint, the printer will dispense a paste-like mixture. The mixture is often a cement blend, but can also be made from special polymers and bioresins, including clay and wood flour, which is a fine sawdust mixed into a corn-based binder. The construction team is on site to handle building elements like windows, plumbing, and electrical, as well as any technical hiccups. Smaller homes can take as little as 24 hours to complete in this manner. The average time to complete a 2-story home is around 2 months. 3D printed homes are better for the environment and can solve supply chain problems that often cause delays in building. It also takes a smaller crew to build these homes, meaning less man-hours involved and less labor cost. Developers are reporting an average savings of 30% versus conventional building styles. This speed increase and cost reduction has some groups using 3D printed homes in mass production for specialty housing areas. For example, senior living communities where the housing blueprints are generally a more cookie-cutter style neighborhood. Habitat for Humanity is also using 3D printing to mass produce homes for families in need. For any questions about buying your dream home, our knowledgeable mortgage specialists here at Equity Resources are available to help. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on our post notifications to never miss a new video. Please leave a comment below if this video was helpful and if you'd like to see more videos on similar topics.